What's up, everybody? It's Vashawn Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC. Listen, there is no headphones. There's no microphone. It is
Tilt left,
just the
level.
iPhone. You can hear tilt left, and that's the wall, level, all that good stuff. Listen, I got to clean up this house before my wife gets home because it's my week. All right, so this week's quick tip, I'm gonna make it real quick. For me, my favorite one, favorite feature of iOS 14 is Backtap. How do you get the Backtap? Accessibility, go to touch on the main screen, go all the way down to the bottom. You might as well do a 4-finger tap on the bottom and go to back tap. And what that allows you to do is gives you 2 more gestures in which you can literally tap the back of your phone for a double tap. And you can assign a gesture to that. A triple tap, you can assign a gesture to that. And that gives you 2 new gestures that you're able to perform with 2 new functionalities. Isn't that awesome? My third favorite feature. Listen, I got to go clean up. Let's change the world. Let's clean up the world. And, hey man, did y'all see the presidential debate?
Tilt right.
That was weird. 2 70-year-old men arguing, and that's going to be our president. Man, crazy.
Zoom. Stop recording video. Tilt